I'm Kenton, and this is Kenton Knows. If you're involved in real estate in any capacity, I'm guessing you're at Home Depot a lot. I know I'm there all the time, but I only recently learned about some of these discount and rebate programs offered by Home Depot. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can get an 11% rebate from Home Depot along with the benefits of their Pro Extra loyalty program. If you like this video, please hit the like button, consider subscribing to my channel, and leave me any questions below as well. Let's start with the Pro Extra loyalty program. This program is free to join, and you can receive Pro Extra dollars, tool rental perks, volume pricing, paint rewards, and periodic email discounts. The program can be joined online, but you'll also want to download the phone app as well to redeem your perks. As you spend more money, you will be awarded more perks. After $2,500 in spending, you get a $25 credit. After spending $5,000, you will receive a $50 credit or a $75 tool rental credit. After $10,000, you receive the same $50 credit or $75 tool rental credit. And you'll continue receiving various credits or rental credits as you spend more money. The best way to ensure you get credit for your purchases is by adding your credit cards and gift cards to your Home Depot account profile. If you have any employee credit cards, as I do, you can also add those credit cards to your profile so that everything spent on your credit cards will count toward your spending. If you've already bought a lot this year, don't despair. As long as you have your receipts, you can add them to your spending for the year. The phone app will allow you to scan the barcode on the receipt, which speeds up the process and adds each receipt to your perks spending. Or you can manually enter the receipt number and date. Just go to your Pro account purchase history and there is an add receipt option. Home Depot also offers volume pricing, which allows you to potentially receive a discount for larger orders. Simply bring your list of items or the items themselves to the Pro desk and they will put it all together into an order and should offer you some sort of discount for the full order. There isn't a guarantee you'll get a discount, but the larger the order, the better the chance is you'll get a discount. On top of the other programs, there is a separate paint rewards program where you save more on paint and paint supply purchases depending on your level of spending. The program starts with a bronze level after spending $1,000 in a calendar year and rewards you with a 10% discount off your future paint purchases. The silver status saves you 15% after spending $3,500 in a calendar year, and the gold saves you 20% after spending $6,500. These tiers are valid during the year you achieve them, and the following year you will keep the highest tier you reached in the previous calendar year. Also, all of the paint spending will also count toward earning perks. These are all really nice benefits, which I highly encourage you to take advantage of, but let's be honest, these discounts aren't going to get you to drive past a Lowe's or Menards or other home supply center to get these discounts unless you know someone at the Pro Desk can give you a nice discount on your larger orders. However, there is another program I recently learned about that I'm really excited to add on top of all of the programs I've already detailed. The program I'm referring to is the 11% rebate program. I'm fairly certain this was in response to Menards' 11% off sales, which is why it is only valid during certain time periods, which I'm fairly certain will always line up with Menards' 11% off sale. You won't find a link to the 11% rebate program on Home Depot's website, but the website is www.homedepotrebates11%.com, and the 11 is the number 11. I'll post the link in the description below. If your purchase falls within the dates of the program and you made the purchase in the last 30 days, you'll just need to enter the date on the receipt and follow the prompts to submit each receipt. You'll receive your rebate as a Home Depot gift card, which will be sent in approximately 35 days from your submission, and you can expect to receive it in another 7 to 10 days. If you know of any other Home Depot program I missed or any other discount programs other property investors or managers would like to hear about, please be sure to share them in the comments. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and watching some of my other real estate related videos. Thank you for watching Kenton Knows, and I wish you the best of luck with all of your real estate projects.